ang progreso sa Tibok Distrito 2 sa Davao de Oro. This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Cheniza and Kuya Noy Cheniza.
And good afternoon, mga Pantuqueños. Ayan, this is the exhibition game between the King and KNP. 18 under. Ayan, and this is your Mayor Jong Cheniza, Kuya Noy Cheniza Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament. Ayan. Magandang hapon po or good noon sa lahat ng mga Pantuqueños na nanonood ngayon, sa mga tao na nandirito sa MIU gym, no? Ayan, magandang araw sa inyo lahat. So this is exhibition game between Team King going up against the Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Team B. Ayan, as you can see, the score is 19-14. Jersey number 25 of KNP. Out of bounds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ladies and gentlemen, viewers natin. Power move inside by number 28 of Team King. Score right now 16-19. Lamang po yung itong Team King. Ayan, 23. Power move inside the basket or underneath the basket and gets a foul and get a chance to have an and one play. Grabe, no? As you can see, no, there's a lot of many potential player, no, dito sa Pantukan. So it's a great avenue dito yung basketball, no, na ginawa ni Mayor Jong Cheniza at Kuya Noy Cheniza, no, sa paggawa nitong torneo na ito. And tayo din nagpapasalamat kay Commissioner Coach Red Diaz, no, for having this kind of program, and also nagpapasalamat din tayo kay Doc Nichel Asidilio, no, the acting president sa Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Ayan. So, to the ball game, there's an unsportsmanlike foul for number 11 of Team King. So, it's gonna be 2 throws on the line. And shout out sa lahat ng mga nadudood, no? We are live at our social media partner Facebook page at Kolehiyo ng Pantukan KPH. Yan, you can catch us our live streaming, no, sa ating games for today, no. We have 6 games for today, no. This is our first game, the exhibition game, the barangay, itong si Team King at kay Team KNP, Team B, no? After this one, we have the battle for third for the Division 1 category, no? Which is itong Moncas going up against the STI College Davao. So Moncas was from Moncayo. Moncayo College of Arts and Science and Technology. So after that, fighting for third na naman tayo for the Division 1, no? In college division. We have the St. John Paul College and ABS, Aeronautical Aviation, no? Mindanao. So it's gonna be an exciting ball game today. Right after that one, we have the exhibition game, the women, so of Team KNP. Kolehiyo ng Pantukan women's basketball team going up against the Ateneo Lady Blue Knights. Ayan. So, right after that exhibition, balik tayo sa ating collegiate, which is a championship game. No, championship game for the Division 2. We have the AMIA Polytechnic College, and also we have the Kolehiyo ng Pantukan, no, for the Division 1 championship. And our main event in the Division 1, the University of Mindanao going up against the Rizal Memorial Colleges Davao. So it's gonna be a exciting ball game. Sa ating araw na ito, we have a 6-header. So I hope stay tuned lang kayo dyan. And kung sino yung gustong manood talaga dito sa live sa ating venue, punta lamang kayo dito sa MIU Gym, where we have mga games. We will give a lot of prizes, mga half-court shootout, free-throw shootout, any games. Tapos may mga premyo tayo like 500, 1,000. So you get a chance to win, no? Malaki-malaki na din yun, no? That kind of amount of money. So, if I were you, kung wala kayong ginagawa ngayon sa bahay, it's a Saturday, it's a rest day, so you can go to the venue to watch the games live. So, eto. It's, we're now in the second quarter with 4 minutes and 43 seconds left. So it's gonna be an exciting game. Score 23-25. So nakahabol na po itong KNP over Team King King. Ayan, shout out kay Kagawad, Team King King. I'm pretty sure, no? So, itong King King is Kagawad po to sa isang barangay dito, no? So, shout out, no, kay Kagawad. So, saka shout out din sa lahat ng mga taga-Pantuqueños dyan, no? So, eto na po, what a good pass right there. Number 26, and the extender lead into 5 points. Number 9. Going hard, yes, basket is good. What a nice move right there for number 9. Here comes the KNP. Thinking what to do. Pinasa. On the corner. Short jumper, no good. A rebound right there for number 5. 10 seconds on the shot clock, number 25. Spins. Ako, muntik nang ma-turnover, buti na lang na out of bounds. And last touch for Team King King, so the ball will reside. But now, it is still Asidilio is all alone. If I'm not mistaken, this Asidilio was a player in Davao for the Emmanuel School of Davao, yung school ni Pacman, no? And he played varsity in that school. And ngayon ko lang nalaman that he's here in Pantukan. No? One of Pantuqueños na isa pala tong batang Pantukan. Ayan. So, we're gonna have a timeout. They wanna to talk things over. So, hindi na tayo mag-commercial. No? Sa shoutout na lang natin yung mga tao na who's behind, no, in this successful event. Siyempre, unang-una nagpapasalamat tayo kay Mayor Jong Sinisa, Kuya Noy Sinisa, for having this intercollegiate basketball invitational tournament. Also, we would like to acknowledge and nagpapasalamat din tayo kay Dr. Nichel Asidilio, no, the acting college president ng Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. And also, we would like to thank Coach Rael Diaz, no, yung head coach ng Kolehiyo ng Pantukan, who bring us, no, dito sa Pantukan, no. Ang napakaganda pala dito sa Pantukan, no. The people will very hospitable, no. Alagang-alaga nila kami dito. And tayo nagpapasalamat on all the staff, the media. Shout out yung Nexus, no? It's an organization for sa Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. It's a media organization na tumutulong din dito sa amin. So maraming salamat sa inyo. Shout out to all of you guys. Grabe. And shout out din sa si ate, yung kinainan namin kagabi. Ang sarap ng barbecue. Grabe, ang daming naubos ko kagabi dun sa harap ng terminal ng Pantukan. Oh, thank you din. And also this the official referees itong Mubay referees. Thank you so much then. No? This event would not be successful without these persons, no? These departments, this community. Kung hindi tumulong dito sa ating event na to. So ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat, no? Here comes Asidelio. Spins! Reverse! Grabe! Ang ganda ng galawan ditong si Asidelio, no? Parang naalala ko tuloy yung mga galawan na nila Kobe Bryant, LeBron James, Michael Jordan. Coming para post move, spins, attacking the basket. And ayan, he shoot the bonus throw by Asidelio. Batang Pantukan. Ayan. Proudly from Emmanuel School of Davao. Ayan. So, number 77. Nono. Yes! Ang ganda ng shooting touch, no? Parang si Coach Rael Diaz din. Ayan. Shout out sa'yo, Coach Rael. And bola ng King. Spins, no good. Steal. Ito, Asidelio. For a steal. Pinasa sa ilalim. What a good look. Kaso, what a great defense right there for the KNP. Si Rono. No good. Ayan. And that end of the second quarter. Score 32-35 in favor of the team KNP. And we will be back in a short break after this halftime.
This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Chaniza and Kuya Noy Sanita. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chainin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus, officiated by Mubay Davao City. The production team, RMJ, Sports and Events, Red Insight Production for official photo coverage. The technical working staff, Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Blazing Phoenix Basketball, ipadayon ang nasugdan nga progreso sa tibok Pantukan. Ipadayon ang progreso sa tibok Distrito 2 sa Davao de Oro. This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Chaniza and Kuya Noy Sanita. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chainin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus, officiated by Mubay Davao City. The production team, RMJ, Sports and Events, Red Insight Production for official photo coverage. The technical working staff, Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Blazing Phoenix Basketball, ipadayon ang nasugdan nga progreso sa tibok Pantukan. Ipadayon ang progreso sa tibok Distrito 2 sa Davao de Oro. This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitation
And we're back to the ball game for our third quarter. No good for that long distance. Bola ng KNT. Ayan. Points. No, number 24. Yes, what a nice shot. On the jumper inside. There's a call. Seconds on the shot clock. Long distance. Yes! There's a call right there. Block right there. Another one. What a nice boot back by Terraza. to the ball game po tayo. Here comes KNP number 25. No good. So, here comes number 8. Spins. What a shot. Hindi lang pumasok. And we have a couple of substitution. Jo, wide highlights ng number 5. Anak ni Mamba, wide highlights. Number 5, Ati Dilio. Ha? Consider man nga 16 games. Ay, mamay 3 games magagabi. Oo. Alala. Asidilio. Number 5 ba? Yang anak ha, number 5. What a nice play right there for the KNP. Sa 24-second shot clock violation. Fourth quarter na ba yan? Pangitaan ka.
Ilan ako ba, sir? 5 to? 5. Tara, sir.
Out of bounds. A block. Asidilio right now. What a pass. Hindi lang pumasok. That's the end of our third quarter. Score 41-52. No? It's gonna be an 11-point lead. So magbabalik po tayo for the fourth and final quarter.
This This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Chaniza and Kuya Noy Saniza. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chainin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng